One of the best places to visit in Guizhou province is Huangguoshu Waterfall, Huangguoshu located about 45 kilometers outside the town of Anshun and a few hours from the capital of Guiyang. It's very accessible by train or bus. This is the biggest waterfall in all of China, at 78 meters tall and just over 100 meters wide. Check out some highlights from this epic waterfall and start planning your trip. After exploring the waterfall, you're sure to be hungry. Never fear, as there's a great night market. Yeah, sure. Feast on a huge grilled leg of lamb, Kao Yang Tui. If you've got an extra half a day, you could go check out the Dragon Palace Cave, Long Gong Dong. Unfortunately, we didn't end up having enough time to go into the actual cave, but the area around it is nice enough for a short stroll. Here and across Guizhou, you'll see beautiful Karst mountains. Wherever you're going next, it's sure to be a scenic train ride.